Have you ever been to a Purity open house before?
Yes.
What do you think of them?
I love them.
Thank you guys for coming out today. We appreciate your ear.
Don't mind me, just working away.
More battery. You have extra battery.
You can't put me on the spot like that, Keith.
We got the big dogs here today. How is it, Scott? Are you back for seconds already?
I'm back for seconds. Are you having fun? I'm working hard here.
So tell me about it. What do you got here?
This is a wide breadth offering from pomegranate. You can loosen.
Oh, that's actually pretty sweet.
I don't put this.
I'm going to turn this on because we're approaching you. That's what the slide. So literally just a matter of seconds. I usually just give it a quick roll because it self-tracks. Well, it doesn't change anything. Standard bending will work, but they're all high quality.
What do you think of that?
That's crazy.
We have the fume control that captures weld smoke, captures grinding dust, oil mist smoke, you name it.
Look at all these goodies.
Heck yeah, nothing but goodies over here.
Is variable speed. You want to speed it up, slow it down.
Do you guys want to buy one?
He wants 3 of them. Just tell me, he wants 3. Oh! A whole lot of raisins.
Hey, Bob.
Hey!
Yeah. What do you guys think about Dynabraid?
That's amazing how fast. Did that finish too?
You're no stranger to the camera, are you? Did you get something to eat yet?
Oh, absolutely. You know me.
Hi, Rob.
Beautiful day outside. Should go do some videoing out there.
What do you think of these tables?
Yeah, that's a nice one. Our shop.
How was the food?
Awesome, very good.